What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry that I have not been uploading. The last one was of the semi. I had a couple of videos actually made on the semi. Put my SD card in the computer to make the first semi video and pulled it out and I lost everything. So I want to apologize for that, but we did wash the truck. The truck is 100% fixed. If you haven't seen the beginning of the last video, go check it out. But it is fixed. I washed it yesterday. We're going to try some of the Lucas Oil Speed Wax on it. I'm not going to walk out there just because the wind, there is wind and I don't want it to the camera and volume and all that. So I'm just going to talk in here and point at the truck. But I bought the Lucas Oil Speed Wax. Lucas Oil makes a number of products for vehicles. I really like their fuel additive and oil additive and stuff. So I figured I'd try their wax and stuff out. I do have tire shine and their interior detailer. I've used the interior detailer before on my truck and my brother's. I love it. It doesn't give it a real like slick feeling like Armor All does. I was trying to think of the name. Like Armor All does. It basically just picks up the dust, leaves like a semi-gloss shine to it. It's not like a real oily feel, which is awesome. So I'm going to try the Speed Wax. I've used Meguiar's wax before and it works really well. So I figured I'd give this a try. It's basically you just shake the bottle real good, spray on there, and then wipe it off. So we're just going to go out there and we'll get to it. So stay tuned. So guys, this is what it is it's the Lucas Oil Slick Mist Fast and Easy Speed Wax. Basically, it's got the directions: shake well, if necessary, wash and rinse vehicle, apply a fine mist to wet or dry surface, which is nice, and then basically wipe it off. So all you're going to do is spray it and then wipe it off. I normally work in small areas, so you don't have the whole hood and then you're trying to wipe it up and stuff. So I'm just going to basically spray it on there and I'll bring you guys along and I'll show you.
Ryan Little.
Well, guys, there it is. I got a little footage for you. I'm just spraying the stuff on there and wiping it off. It smells phenomenal. That's first, and you can see the reflection in excuse me, the truck already, like the bottle, my hand and stuff. I highly recommend it. Super easy to use. It leaves a super nice shine to it. Like I hit the side right here and just look at the sun just, and then I also went over the mirror. Like look at the shine in that. We'll go to the other side real quick and see if you can. Yeah, so there's not even a shine in this mirror. Oh, there's my. So you can definitely tell the big difference in this stuff. We'll go back to this side. Yeah, look at that. Wow. I highly recommend it. All it is a Lucas Oil speed wax. Easy to use, like I said. Basically just spray it on a little area. Wipe it off. Super slick shine to it. I don't know if you'll be able to see my paint, but the truck desperately needs to be repainted. I got clear coat chips everywhere, all over the hood. But shortly, it'll have a cowl hood on it. No fender flares, new fenders, all nice black down here, no rust, all new bed on it. Traction bars be painted the same color, new toolbox in it, new side glass, new tent. It's gonna be slick. Tow mirrors back on it. I haven't decided if I want to color match the tow mirrors. I know for sure I'm color matching the front bumper. The new grill, this whole piece will be blue. Same with this chrome piece here will be blue, and then the new grill will just be black. Excuse me. I'll probably go to black 2500 badges, probably the new 2500 HD style badges. And then I don't know if I want to keep these. I might just go out and buy like nice factory OEM style that they're all not like hazy. They're like the slick, clean looking ones. I kind of like these ones, but some of the LED ones, if you get the cheaper ones, aren't the greatest. So, but when the box comes off, all this rust up underneath is gonna be sanded down, recoated. Because this truck does have a brand new rear end in it. It's got a new fuel tank, sending unit, all that fun stuff. It's got an add-a-leaf in it, new rear shocks and shock mounts, new exhaust. The transmission was rebuilt by the previous owner. The motor's been rebuilt. The front end's been rebuilt with new parts, new shocks, new upper control arms, new tie rods, and all that fun stuff. So we're gonna take care of her. I do have Raptor liner I'm gonna spray up in here to help protect it, and I also have the splash guards that are in the truck. I'll probably throw those on in the next video just because I have to be at work here shortly. And then I was also looking at different setup for wheels and tires. Not sure what I want to do. I think I want to stay with like a 16 by 10 or an 18 by 10 because it does give it some stance, as you can tell from the back tire, because I'm not going to have the fender flares on it when I put the new one on. So she has plenty of stance. I mean, you're talking probably 3 to 4 inches of sticking out, because if you put my hand right here, come straight up, I mean, there's enough room I can stick my camera in between there and I still have an inch. So I don't want to go super wide because then I got to do more trimming, and I already hate that I had to trim my bumper here. I'm probably going to try and clean that up a little bit when I go to paint it and stuff. Kind of make it look a little bit more factory-ish instead of it coming up and kind of jigging and stuff. So we're definitely going to be color matching the front bumper. Everything's going to be like the dark blue or a black look, so it should be pretty cool. But anyway, guys, that's just a short video on the speed wax and stuff coming for the 98. Remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. If you're a new subscriber, smash that subscribe button, share this video, share the channel. Let's hit 5,000 subscribers. When we hit 5,000, we might be doing a giveaway on a set of traction bars, but you never know. You gotta basically subscribe and share to find out. But anyway, guys, I'm the GM man. Thanks for stopping in, and I will catch you in the next one.